Hey, yo, what's going on, guys? We're in Vegas right now. Wanted to bring you guys this quick topic because it means a lot to me. Listen, you gotta stop being so hard on yourself. You gotta stop trying to be perfect. Stop trying to get every single thing you do in your business or life correctly. You're gonna fuck up. You're gonna lose. I think a lot of people need to hear this right now. Everybody's trying to perfect the fuck out of 2021. You cannot be perfect, right? I fail on a daily basis. Some things just don't work out. Right? We're all human. We all deserve some humility. We all deserve to lose. It's the biggest failures that give us the biggest lessons. We can't be in this state of mind that if we go into business for ourselves, if we decide to go against the grain, that every single movement that we make or every single decision that we make has to be 100% perfect. It's not possible. So stop being so hard on yourself when you fail. Like, the shit sucks. Move the fuck on. Like, yeah, it might be your fault and you might feel like shit for a couple days, but stop overthinking your failures. It's just more reasoning as to why maybe you shouldn't be doing that one thing, or maybe you should be pivoting to another type of, decision-making process in your business. Like, not everything that you decide to do has to be correct. All right, guys, peace.